Hi, my name is Manali and I work in customer support for BMC MyIT. This video is going to give you an overview of how to create asset types and actions in MyIT. In BMC MyIT, assets are located on the floor maps. Once you have configured your location in BMC MyIT, you can add floor maps to these locations. This section is going to include following: how to add actions and how to add new asset types. In order to add new asset, you can go to MyIT Administration Console, Location Management, and to Floor Maps. Select the location, select the floor, and click on Edit Floor Map. Add your assets to it and save the changes. Actions are associated with asset types and appear as buttons in the assets profile based on the associated type. In order to do that, in MyIT Administration Console, go to Actions Library, select Name, Type, Request, and tag for the action and select the action. To associate actions to asset type, go to MyIT Administration Console Types Library, select the asset, and from the available action, select action and add to the selected actions. Save the changes. Once this is done, user would be able to see the asset and the associated actions like following. You can add URL, default request, or a particular request to your asset as an action. You can also use tags in the asset. For example, here we have two assets with the same type, Training Section A and Training Section B. While Training Section B has a tag as AR308, Training Section A doesn't have any tag. If you open the action called as FAQ and the tag add AR308, then the action would be visible only in Training Section B because of the tag and not for the Training Section A. You can also create asset types. In MyIT Administration Console, go to Types Library and click on Add. You can enter information such as Good Status Label, Bad Status Label, icon, and the available actions and selected actions. You can also add the actions defined in the system for newly created asset types. This is how users see the asset in MyIT Console. Go to MyIT Console, Location Management, go to Floor Map, select the location, click on Filter, select the floor, and click on Edit Floor Map. Enter the name and asset type, select the status, add the associated email, select the tag, and save the asset. Move the asset to the appropriate location. Go to Asset section and open Asset Library. Click on Add. Select the name, select the request, add the tag, and click on Create Actions. Click on Types Library, select the asset type, select the action, and click on Add. Save the changes. Now log into any user in MyIT and go to Locations. On the floor map, select the asset, click on the asset. Now this is the information and the asset you would see over here. If you click on Request Owner, the default service request associated with it would be available for user to submit. Associating such particular service request to a particular CI makes it very easier for user to submit the appropriate service request instead of searching it. MyIT also allows asset and room to be reserved. In order to do that, you need to configure the Exchange pluggable provider. For more information, look on our online document for the list of providers. Similarly, you can also add new types in Asset Types Library. Go to Asset section and click on Types Library, click on Add, select the asset type, select Good Status Label, Bad Status Label, click on Create Type. Go to Floor Map and click on Add Asset. Now this asset type would be available here for selection. Enter the information and click on Save Asset. Move the asset to appropriate location. Now this asset would be available on your floor map with the appropriate actions. That's all in this session for right now. Thank you for watching.